Okay. If you were absent yesterday, I'm just going to show you how we set up our page. And we talked a little bit about the pencil tool. So to start in Illustrator, if you open up Illustrator, it is going to kind of look like this. Yours might look a little bit different, but essentially in Illustrator, when you first open it up, if this is the first document you're creating, you're going to go to New File or Create New, whatever it says there. And then when you go here, you're going to want to go to the top where it says Print and choose Letter. Letter is going to be a normal size page. We can always change this later, but you want to make it inches and not points, just so it's a unit of measurement you recognize. So 8.5 by 11. This is vertical orientation, and for the posters, that's what we want is vertical. And you're just going to hit Create. So for this, I had everyone go in and change their preferences and kind of the layout of the whole platform. So just follow along. When you get here, you're going to go up here to this little menu that says Switch Workspace, and you're going to choose Essentials Classic. And then that's going to give you this extra toolbar at the top. Now it automatically is on this arrow tool. Just click on the background and you should see this Preferences tab. You're going to click on Preferences and you're going to choose Scale Corners and Scale Strokes and Effects, and then hit OK. That's just going to make everyone's platform the same. Okay, and then from here, what I had them do for the poster is to go ahead and copy and paste your roughs off to the side of this. So in Illustrator, you have all the space around your artboard to work as well as on your page. So Control plus zooms in, Control minus zooms out, Control 0 gets you to full page. Remember those. Control Z steps back, just like in Photoshop. So what I had them do is just go over to Teams, and then if you post it on the critique channel, fine. If not, you can grab this from anywhere on your computer, but you should have taken a picture of your roughs. And this works every time, and some of the other ways don't. So I'm just going to show you, use your snipping tool. So go in the corner and search for your snipping tool. Come on. Excuse me. And then what you're going to do is just take a screenshot of your drawings like this. And you're just going to go edit and copy. Excuse me. And then go to Illustrator. And Control V will paste, or you can edit, paste. You can't right click in Illustrator to do the paste and copy thing. So I'm just going to, with my arrow tool, move it off to the side. And now I have it there so that I can reference it as I draw. Okay, so anything off the artboard or off the side of the page is not going to print. It's just going to stay there for me as a reference. So I had everyone just put that off to the side, and then I went up to File, and we're going to save as, and you're going to save this your name, dash, shape, or line, either one or both, poster. I just use dashes, and then dash black and white. So you're going to create a black and white version first, and then you're going to open that version and change the colors and things eventually. We are going to save this as an Adobe Illustrator file. It automatically does that, and it'll look like this when you're looking in your folders. It's this little brown and orange file. That means it's going to preserve your layers. You can go back in and edit it if you need to, and you're just going to hit OK. So from here, you're going to watch the tutorials on Edpuzzle and come back to this and start designing your best rough.